Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to watch AfroLand TV on your Hisense Smart TV. This is quite easy. If you find the video helpful, like and subscribe for more important videos like this. So if you want to watch AfroLand TV, you have to start by making sure the application is installed to your Hisense Smart TV, and as you can see, here's the application here and it's installed already. Now if for some reason you don't have the application installed, the thing you need to do is go over to your App Store. So here's my app store here, Video App Store. This comes with every Hisense Smart TV. Once you go over here, just go over straight away to the search box and type in the name of the application, which is AfroLand, and here's the application. So what you do here, just click on it once. Since it's already installed, you're just going to launch or open on your Hisense Smart TV. So just give it a moment for it to load AfroLand TV. As it load or once it opens, you can go ahead and start watching content on it. So as you can see here, the content you can watch on this application, there's a lot of content that you can watch on the application from here. So if you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share more important videos like this.